Hi, this is Michael from Asia Virtual Solutions. In this video we'll be taking a look at the global site list, which is under the advanced settings in GSA Search Engine Ranker. So global site list is really important component of GSA Search Engine Ranker, and some people have a bit of a difficulty understanding how they work and how to set it up. So I hope with this video I can give some people a better idea how it works. So let's look at my VPS here that I have a brand new install of GSA Search Engine Ranker. So we haven't done any projects, anything on this VPS, and the global site list is basically a list that you can post to. When you just buy GSA Search Engine Ranker, the global site list is just it's under the advanced tab here, and then under site list. So these are the default list that is normally with GSA Search Engine Ranker, but these are all empty. There's nothing in them. So if we open them, you right click on them, open folder, you will see this it's empty. There's nothing in it. So what will happen is, once we have projects running and we have enabled, say, the scrape, we enable the search engines. Let me show you. Let's just create a quick project. Let's say we set up our project. So we enabled some search engines, and we have checked these options for the site list, but we don't. By default everything will be checked, but that is not a good idea. But there's no point in submitting to the failed site list. But since our site list is empty in a moment, there's nothing in it yet, GSA is only gonna be using the search engines, and it will try to find places based on the platforms we have selected. So it will look for links on these kind of platforms and then submit to that. But GSA Search Engine Ranker is not really good at scraping, it's more a submitter. So this could be time consuming and not so fast. And it will definitely not be niche specific site list. So if you start it now and leave it with these settings, it will work, but it will be slow because it has to go and find places to submit to, and then even if it found it, doesn't mean it's actually be able to submit on those places all. The site list, what will happen is, now once your project is running, once it found places to submit to, it will be saved in the identified list. So the identified list will keep growing, and whatever GSA can find on the search and find targets to post to by itself, those links will be saved in the identified list, and then your projects will use the identified list to submit to and build backlinks for you. Once it builds a backlink and once it submits successfully, then it will save that link that it was able to connect to a site and submit a link, create an account and submit. It will be saved to the success list. That is what a success list is. So it's places where GSA were able to submit to. But submit does not mean verified. Verified is when it went back to check on the project. You see now, if we go back to our project, confirm verification options. Normally it's set by, it will check in 24 hours. So it will submit a link, then it's going to wait 24 hours and go and check if that link is live. Then again 2 days later it's going to go back and check again, and then 1 week later again go and check if it's live. If the link is live, excuse me, if the link is live and it verified the link, then it will save it to the verified list. the links that failed, we tried to submit, but the submission was failed, it couldn't submit, that will be saved and failed. So if we look at these, the important ones are the verified and the identified, because the identified keeps growing all the time. It's going to keep looking for places to submit to, and the verified is the ones we were able to successfully verify and build a backlink. That is why when I created my project, I want to enable the identified and the verified to use that. We'll get back to the other in a minute. We want to use the identified and the verified list. There's no point in trying to submit to the list that failed. There's absolutely, you're really bloody stupid if you want to submit to a failed list. Submitted maybe, but I'd rather just skip submitted and use the verified. And identified, we want to use that because it is constantly looking for new targets. So we need to post to those lists to know if we can get additional verified links. So identified and verified is the two most important ones to use. The other option that you can check is, but this will be, I would not really use this option. It's going to fill up your database very quick, and it will be, it could be completely non-relevant links. It could be the links to the terms and conditions, it will try to submit to every link, and also try to submit to external sites. So I don't really recommend this because it will be not so relevant, and it will fill up your database with it will take a lot of resources because it's going to try and submit to them, and not all engines support it, as is indicated there. So that is the basic how the linked list work. Now, as you might have seen, there's the linked list that you can buy. If you go to the Asia Virtual Solutions website, not this, Asia. If you go to Asia Virtual Solutions,